Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is the sixth lecture on Zoho book. Topic is accountant. So here I will going to explain the accountant module. So first is manual journal. So basically we can create a manual journal entries for all the adjusting entries like depreciation, salary payable, accrued expenses, prepaid expenses, interest payable or year end adjustments. So here I am creating the first journal entry. So I will here select the account depreciation. So I am taking this as accumulated right now. We do not have accumulated depreciation account. This is depreciation adjustment. So next is bulk update. So bulk update allow us to change the account using multiple transactions at the same time. Instead of opening 100 accounts, 100 of transactions one by one, Zoho update them all together. So I can show you an example. So here I am selecting rent account. And so here it's highlighting the rent expense. So I want to update this to office supplies. So it automatically updated that account and changed my account from rent to office supplies. So now next is chart of accounts. So here I am creating fixed asset. So account type is fixed asset. I am creating vehicle. Saved. So now you can see here it's appearing vehicle fixed assets. So that's how we can create charts of accounts. We can it's a complete list of accounts used in business. Every transaction in Zoho book is recorded under one of these accounts. So we can create new account, edit account, delete or deactivate, and create sub accounts. So I'll show you how to create sub accounts. Car engine, make a sub account of vehicle. Now we'll go and we can see here. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you really like the video, please share it and like it, and thank you so much.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं, फिल्मोरा है ना।